Okay, this is the T-Nex, and this is my new airsoft gun. It's a shotgun. It's really just pump action. It's pretty good for close range. It has a scope, not that good, but still very good. Clip's not really, I have to load it in through the scope. I'll show you in a while. And once you take off the scope, you have the inside. That's where you load everything. Yeah. So that's really much it. It's not really automatic, it's just manual. And it's a pretty fun gun, I guess. It's great. Oh, and it shoots really hard. I'll try to make another part where it's gonna shoot. I just need to find my BBs, and then we'll see how good it shoots. Okay, thanks for watching.